This is Alan Bush with the Daily Financial Forecast for Tuesday, October 9th. Stock index futures starting out under some pressure. This after the IMF reduced their estimates for global economic growth. So in general, international equity markets did come under some pressure. However, there has been a bit of a recovery now in the U.S. stock index futures. And I would not be surprised to see a move back to higher on the day. Also, it still appears that interest rates are low enough to sustain a bull market in stock index futures in spite of the recent rate hikes from the Fed and, of course, the likely rate hike again in December. So nothing has really changed. Still looking for higher prices longer term, including I believe the strong likelihood of some new historical highs in the indices before the end of the year. Moving over to the currencies. The dollar index higher again with flight to quality buying coming in. This in light of the overnight weakness in the indices. However, from here, I'm inclined to believe that the dollar may give up some of its gains later today. Also, some pressure in the euro currency as we continue to have the ongoing tensions between the European Union and Italy's proposed expanded budget deficit. Interest rate markets. We did see the bonds falling to a new multi-year low in the overnight session, but recovery as stock index futures coming under some pressure. So a bit of a flight to quality bid in the bond market. However, we do have quite a bit of supply, 230 billion in treasury supply this week that is likely to limit gains. So even though the bonds are a little higher now, I would not be surprised to see a move back to more closer to the on-change level. Longer term, still looks like lower prices are in store for the credit futures markets, especially the 30-year bonds. So good trading, everyone. And once again, remember, these are my opinions alone and are not the opinions of ADMIS or Archer Daniels Midland.